Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate Republic Bank debit card. There are several steps you can take in order to activate your Republic Bank's debit card. The first and the easiest step is to go ahead and visit an ATM nearby for Republic Bank and insert the debit card into the ATM card slot. Follow the on-screen instructions as shown in the display and you will be able to activate your debit card via ATM. You can also activate your debit card online by opening up a web browser and in the URL box type in republicbank.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website for Republic Bank. After you end up in the official website, you will need to now log into your online banking account. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your username and password associated with your online banking account. After providing your details, click on login. And once you're logged into your bank account, look for the debit card activation option and follow through the instructions in order to activate your debit card for Republic Bank. You can also contact Republic Bank customer service via a phone call and activate your debit card. Simply click on the menu button at the top right hand corner from the home page and click on Contact Us. Then you will be able to see the toll-free numbers and contact information from where you can make a phone call or contact and activate your debit card by following the on-screen instructions. Those were some of the methods which can help you activate your debit card for Republic Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.